We have the true Bharat Ratna, Sachin Tendulkar. Ladies and gentlemen, a big hand. Now let's meet some biggies who are here to represent their teams. First and foremost of all, the captain of last year's winning team, Karnataka Bulldozers, the superstar of Kannada films, Sudeep, along with the team owner, Mr. Ashok Kenny.
Frankly speaking, I'm very happy for whatever happened at the meeting, but I just want to see the first season of CCL happening back and all the actors back and all the smiles.
We are going to play some exciting matches and going to give some real fun for all the fans, and we're going to win the tournament this time.
It is a big stage for us, and because of CCL, we got to see Sachin Tendulkar sir, and thanks a lot.
रितेश ने बॉल को उछाला और तेज शॉट मारने लगे, आवाज आई ग्रैंड मस्ती ना 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 ग्रैंड मस्ती. क्या बात है, ये मतलब ये बंदा पिच पे कुछ भी कर सकता है. लेट्स हैव अ बिग हैंड फॉर हिम यार.
CCL is a fantastic platform where we get to meet our friends from other industries. We interact, and when we are on the pitch and the ground, we are very competitive. Everyone tries to win here.
Thanks to CCL, हम पिछली साल पहली बार आए हम लोग, और हम लोगों से बहुत ज़्यादा अपेक्षा भी नहीं थी CCL को, लेकिन हमारे लड़कों ने बहुत अच्छा किया. मेरे लिए आज एक नाते और भी बड़ा ये CCL ने बहुत बड़ा मौका दे दिया. मैं विष्णु सर का, शरद सर का, सबका बहुत थैंक्स करता हूँ. मैंने आज तक सचिन सर को सामने से नहीं देखा था. दुनिया ने उनको क्रिकेट का गॉड बोला है. मैंने अपने गांव में उनका मंदिर बनाया है.
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है. Superb and all the best for the season, sir.
It's an honor today to meet the god of cricket. Thank you CCL, thank you Sharad sir, thank you the organizers of CCL for bringing about something that has never happened before, bringing about the entire Indian film industry on one platform. We look forward to CCL because it's one of the best stress busters for actors like us. We never get an opportunity to meet stalwarts like Venkatesh sir, Mr. Manoj Tiwari, Salman bhai, Sunil bhai, everyone. Thank you so much.
कोशिश करेंगे. सब जीतने की बात कर रहे हैं तो आई थिंक हमें कोशिश करनी चाहिए.
एक्सपेक्टेशंस तो लास्ट ईयर भी थी कि हम अच्छा करेंगे जी. इस बार कोशिश और ज़्यादा करेंगे कि और बेहतर करें.
1 + 1 2 It's not Sachin who 28 state glue nothing else to prove. Hey, you are our pride. Hey, roller coaster ride. Every player's guide. We are your side. We unite in your name, Sachin. Hey, come mama. Hey, hit mama. Hey, six mama. Hey, super mama. Hey, come mama. Hey, hit mama. Hey, six mama. Hey, super mama. Paadunga sir. Come on, get your hands, ladies and gentlemen. How can you be sitting like that? Hey, 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 dance, my friend. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, one day test, T20, entertainment guarantee. 89, your entry, bringing honor to our country. Hey, baller, fear, cricket balls, tear, Bharat Ratna, here. Come on, India, cheer. Darling of the mass, then you gotta face, oh little master, you are a booster. Hey, come mama, hey, hit mama, hey, six mama, hey, super mama, hey, come mama, hey, hit mama, hey, six mama, hey, super mama. Where's your hands, everybody? 1 plus 1 2 if not Sachin who 28 state glue nothing else to prove hey you are our pride hey roller coaster rider every player's guide we are your side everybody Sachin little louder than that come on Sachin hey come mama hey hit mama hey six mama hey super mama hey come mama whoa can we have Sachin on the stage come on now 1 plus 1 2
Cricket for me has been passion. To put it in just one word, it has been like an oxygen to me. Hard to imagine my life without cricket. But our film industry is all sitting here, and I can tell you that whenever I got stressed and I wanted to switch off from cricket and think about something else, watch something else, you guys have played a huge role in that and entertaining me. Once I got back to the hotel, it's been a stress buster. I hope cricket acts as a stress buster for you guys. I know once you enter the field, it's going to get competitive, and that's how it should be. I feel so proud that cricket is getting more and more global. I've also got to know that people have started playing cricket in Japan and China. So, you know, that's something which, as a cricketer, I would want to see cricket getting as global as possible.
Whatever little I could say, I said it in my song. Nothing has changed since, except for the Bharat Ratna thing. You have become Bharat Ratna now. And I'm one of those worshippers of yours who is really, really happy.
Sachin sir, you have a lot of fans, we all know that. But, you know, some of them have sent some questions. So if you don't mind, can I ask the questions to you? Would you like to answer them? All right. So the first question is, what is that thing which Sachin misses the most after leaving the field after 24 years? Mr. Jaydeep has asked this question.
Retire okay, एक ही महीना हुआ है भाई. No, I stopped playing T20 in 2007. 2011 I stopped ODIs. Before that also, I was picking and choosing my ODI tournaments because I wanted to be part of 2011 World Cup. And post that, Champions League and IPL both. So it's been a gradual retirement for me. So I don't think right now I'm obviously, when I watch cricket on the screen, it's nice to watch them, but still I feel that that retirement factor has not hit me yet. पता नहीं कब होगा वो.
Well, so next question है Mr. Hiren जो है वो पूछते हैं, अगर आप क्रिकेटर ना होते तो क्या होते?
I said in my speech that cricket is like oxygen to me, so I cannot imagine my life without cricket.
सर हमारे लिए भी बड़ा मुश्किल हो रहा है क्रिकेट आपके बिना सोचना, but still we are watching matches somehow. So the next question, sir, from Mr. Prabhu. Well, if you have to pick up a CCL team to play a game for, which one would it be?
My cricket started in Mumbai.
Okay.
So, I played for India, but this is where it all started for me. So sorry guys, it's Mumbai. The other teams, Mumbai has to be the one. But above all, I think cricket is a winner.
All right, sir. Another question from Shantanu. ये कहते हैं कि सर जब matches होते हैं, there's a lot of rivalry between the players, on field. So off field ये players जो हैं वो generally hang around करते हैं? Do they meet for parties or get-togethers or something?
I don't think उतना वक्त मिलता है, obviously, क्योंकि स्पेशली जब आपकी जैसे उम्र बढ़ते जाते तो इंजरीज भी बढ़ते जाती है
जी.
मैच के बाद बॉडी को फिक्स करना पड़ता है वापस. देन वंस यू सेट योर बॉडी राइट, देन द नेक्स्ट डे यू आर एबल टू गो ऑन द फील्ड. बट एटलीस्ट जब मैचेस चालू होते हैं तो आई डोंट थिंक वी गेट टाइम. बट इन बिटवीन द गेम्स, यस, वी डू गेट टाइम. especially with IPL, so many foreign players also being part of our squad. We got a lot of time to spend with various players from West Indies, South Africa, Australia. So it's been a wonderful experience. You know, you make some friends. Also, कभी-कभी एक player के आप एक perception बन जाती है.
जी.
तो वो change होती है काफ़ी बार, because you know, playing in the opposition, you know, you don't want him to score runs or you don't want him to take wickets. Okay. But suddenly he becomes part of your team and you want him to score runs. You want him to pick wickets. So, and then 45 days is a long time. 45 days you get to know your team and you get to know the players from different parts of the world. It has only added new dimension to cricket.
All right, so the last question is from Srinivas. Well, he's saying that in a lot of interviews you mentioned that you love cooking. All right, so what kind of food do you like to cook?
I like to eat as well. but I like cooking because, you know, it's again something which relaxes me. I've not had time in the recent past, but earlier I used to cook. Maybe it's time to start back, you know, to cooking some dishes. I think I enjoy that because as a kid I used to stand next to my mother in the kitchen and learn from her. While eating, I would observe what she used to be doing. And then on various vacations I've learned the recipes from her and I've gone and I've cooked. So maybe I can start that again because it was relaxing.
All right, thank you so much, Sachin sir. Big hand for Sachin Tendulkar, ladies and gentlemen.
I couldn't have thought of anybody that CCL could think of for an occasion like this to have Anjali and Sachin here. Like everybody else, I am also overwhelmed standing here with two great people, Dhanush and Sachin. CCL should have come to us long time back. They spoke to me even before they launched CCL. But I think the best is always reserved for the last. So they tried different broadcasters. Finally, they've come to Colors, the best channel in the country. And we are going to telecast some of the matches on Colors and all the matches on Rishte. That's our new channel that we've launched.